Hey y'all, this is Dan Ryan. Ryan's over there behind the camera. Today we're going to unbox this Squier Affinity Strat in the HSS configuration, which stands for humbucker single coil. This box was kind of a pain to get open, so we've already opened it, but we haven't taken the guitar out yet. So we're going to do that now and see what we got. And we got some foam and tape and cardboard. So far, not much. It looks like a guitar, but we'll get there.
Knife time.
Yep. Apparently they were afraid of radiation on the headstock for some reason. Sometimes you wonder how they decide what they need to pack these things up. 2 rubber bands. Here's our welcome from Squier.
Need to save all this stuff because we may be giving this guitar away.
Nice little piece of foam for the 5-way switch. Got a tremolo bar and an Allen wrench. Kind of all the standard stuff. Oh, good. Cancer and reproductive harm. Good thing I'm old. One that's kind of moot.
And how long you been playing Squiers and Fender Strats?
Well, a while.
At least 10 or 15 minutes.
Okay. So we're going to take the sticker off right now. As we mentioned already, it's in the HSS configuration. So here's your humbucker and 2 single coils. Doesn't appear to have a switch that will switch this to single coil if you wanted to. I'm not feeling anything. It's got a nice maple neck, very smooth. Crafted in China. Tuners look okay. The finish doesn't appear to have any dings or scratches. No rough spots, no. The paint is very nice. The headstock is very nice and clean. The fret dressing is excellent, actually, for a guitar this inexpensive. anyway, that's the unboxing part, and the guitar looks fine. We're going to tune it up and play it in a minute. We'll be right back. See you in a second. Okay, we're back. We've tuned up the guitar, plugged it into an amp. Right now we have a basic clean sound. In fact, that's the actual name of the patch, is basic clean. We're just going to go through the pickups first, just so you can hear what each one sounds like. Let's see. As with a lot of Strats, you get a certain level of hum just from the lights and different things around. It goes away when you touch it. I don't know if you can hear that, but as soon as you put your hand on the strings, it grounds it, and the hum goes away. That's kind of typical of most Strats, certainly ones that are made by Fender. So here we're going to start with the neck pickup. So, and we're just going to play a little lick and see how it sounds. So that's the neck pickup, and this is going to be the neck and middle. And this is just going to be just the middle. And this is going to be the bridge and middle. The bridge is a humbucker, so this is where you're going to get the kind of quack sound that's a lot of Strats are noted for. Here we go. And this is just the humbucker in the bridge. So there we go. That's all of the sounds on a clean sound. Now we're going to switch over to a distorted sound and do the same thing. And this is a sound called boosted Brit. Once again, you can hear the hum. Doesn't go away quite as much because we have a distortion. Just everything is boosted on this patch. So here we are again at the neck position. And we'll sustain forever. Here we are, bridge and middle. And here we are with just middle. And bridge and middle. It will sustain as long as I let it. And here's the bridge pickup, the humbucker. Said it'll sustain forever. Let's switch back to the clean sound just because we're getting a lot of hum here. Sorry. So those are the basic sounds of this guitar. It's a quite well-made guitar from everything we're seeing right now. Obviously, you know, this is just being played for a few minutes right out of the box. How a guitar holds up over time is something that we've reviewed so many guitars, we don't really get to play most of them very much outside of doing the review. My nephew Patrick has played a few, and he's getting better and better, so maybe at some point he can let us know what he thinks of the longevity of some of these guitars. Anyway, this is the Squier HSS Squier Affinity in a very attractive metallic blue, and not a bad guitar at all. How much did this guitar cost you?
About 200.
This is about a $200 guitar, and once again, I'm amazed at what you can get for not very much money. So you could do a lot worse than this guitar, and it'll cover a lot of different kinds of music, depending upon what amp you put it with and what effects you put it with. So that's this guitar, and we'll probably play a song with it in a little while, but right now, that's the unboxing and the playthrough of the Squier Affinity. Thanks a lot, Leo and Dan Ryan. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and we'll see you in a minute. Thanks. Okay, we're gonna play a little something with this Squier Strat. It's just a little backing track. So here we go. Okay, y'all, that was the Squier Affinity Strat in the HSS configuration. And we'll be going on to another guitar in a minute. But don't forget to like and subscribe and click the bell icon. This is Dan Ryan. That's Leo Ryan over there. Thanks a lot. See you next time. Bye-bye.